Good morning, children. Children, good morning. Welcome back to class. This is Standard 3 English. Chapter 3 The Magic Letter. In the previous class, we have completed the lesson explanation, that is, lesson 3 The Magic Letter. What did we learn in this lesson? In this lesson, we learned about friendship, we learned about friends, we learned about festivals, we learned about values, family values, and about true friends. What is the content of this chapter or of this lesson? The title of the letter or the title of the lesson says The Magic Letter. The title of the lesson is given as The Magic Letter. Why is the title given as The Magic Letter? Because we already know what is the story about. It's a beautiful story about two friends. That is Vikram and Azaz. Vikram and Azaz are good friends. They live in the same neighborhood and both were very fond of each other. Both spent time together playing, solving riddles or puzzles, and celebrating all the festivals and events together. Vikram, he lives in Hyderabad, that is, Vikram, he lives in Andhra Pradesh now, and Azaz lives in Haryana. So, after some time, both the friends are separated. Vikram goes to Andhra Pradesh and Azaz lives in Haryana. Though they are staying far away from each other, yet their friendship continues. Vikram writes letters to Azaz, and in his letter he used to send riddles or puzzles to Azaz, and Azaz would solve the puzzles or riddles sent by Vikram. The both friends, that is Azaz and Vikram, when they were together, they played cricket, solving riddles, eating biryani, and celebrated every festival or every celebration event that was possible. So both are from two different religion, but there was no difference. Both were very close to each other, and each one celebrated the festival and events together. But after Vikram goes to Andhra Pradesh, he starts writing letter to Azaz. In his letter, he used to send puzzles and riddles. And Azaz would solve it and used to feel happy that Vikram his best friend is in touch with him, though he is far away. Once it was during a festival, that is during a Eid time, Azaz he receives an envelope. He receives an envelope. He gets very excited. He goes inside, he opens the envelope, and what does he find? He finds a sheet of paper, a blank sheet of paper. He tries all possible ways to find out what is the content of the blank sheet. For some time, he thinks that his friend must have forgotten to write a message for him or to write down something. He tries all possible ways to check if there is any message in that blank sheet of paper. And somehow, with the help of his mother, he gets a clue, and so he runs with the blank sheet of paper to the kitchen. He goes to the kitchen and he tells his mother to get a candle and to light a candle. And when his mother lights a candle, as asked, he takes the blank sheet of paper close to the candle, flame of the candle. With the heat of the candle and the brightness of the candle, Azaz is able to read some message in the blank sheet. He was so happy. He was so happy because he was missing his friend and there was a message for him. When he read what was the message, his happiness had no end. He was so happy, he was so overjoyed. He was so happy, he was so overjoyed that his friend has given him some clue and he has asked him to go to a particular place where usually they used to play together or meet together. As he reads the words what is written in the letter with happiness, but mother did not understand what was the message sent in the blank sheet. So now Azar is going to a particular place where both friends is to meet to find out what surprise is waiting for him there. He runs down 2 flights of stairs. He runs down from the stairs, he comes down, he runs down 2 flights of stairs, past the parking area and stops in front of a bench. He goes to a garden, he goes to a park where he is to meet his friend. But when he goes there is nothing. He does not find anything. Then Azaz becomes sad. He was sure that there would be another clue waiting for him. He was expecting his friend to give him some surprise there. And then he turns around and he gasps. Gasps in the sense he becomes very upset. He becomes annoyed because there is no sign of any clue or anything because his friend Vikram had asked him to go to a particular place. And after going there, he does not get anything, he does not find anything. So he's annoyed, he's sad now. Then suddenly, when he turns to go back, what does he see? He sees his best friend Vikram. He sees his best friend Vikram over there. Then his happiness has no end. He was so happy. The both friends, Aizaz and Vikram, they hug each other. They hug each other, and because it was Eid, Vikram was missing Aizaz and he was missing Ammi's biryani. So he comes down from Andhra Pradesh, he comes to Haryana to meet his best friend Azaz. Azaz can't believe his eyes. He's so surprised, he's shocked. Azaz can't believe his eyes. This is the best surprise ever. He says, this is the best surprise I have ever got in my life. Can't you guess? Says Vikram, beaming. I came because I was missing Ammi's biryani. Azaz laughs and hugs him. And at that exact moment, Ammi calls out to Azaz and says, biryani is ready. So, this is a beautiful story about two friends, Vikram and Azaz. One lives in Andhra Pradesh, one lives in Haryana, but they are in touch through letters. This is called true friend. He was missing his friend, so he comes to meet his friend on the eve or on the Eid. That is, Vikram from Andhra Pradesh comes to Haryana to meet Azaz. The values that we get from this lesson or from this story is that the bonding, trust, belief. When you trust somebody, you should keep that promise. When you love somebody, you should have faith in that person. Though they were staying separate, but they were in touch with. Now, we celebrate festivals. Okay, we celebrate all types of festivals. In India, especially in India, India is a land where we celebrate so many festivals. Every month there is